Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So let's continue with our practical sections. Hmm? Practical 9. Take the page number 362. After the practical sections, I will ask you a question from chapter 21. Okay. So the practical 9, the heading for the practical 9 or the interleaf, that is adulthood. That is the interleaf, adulthood for the practical 9. Okay. And under this practical 9, we have 5 practical. The first one, that is uh, with reference to health and illness. The aim. Sana, can you please read the aim of practical 9A?
Study one female and male adult in the age range of 35 to 60 years with reference to health and illness.
Okay, that is the aim. So, first, the adulthood, that is the interleave for 9. And the first one, that is health and illness. It's in the word note. Okay, health and illness. This is the heading for practical 9A. And then write the aim, all in caps. Okay. Then write the aim here. That is, study one female adult and one male adult in the range of 35 to 60 years. So you can choose any adult between 35 to 60 years with reference to health and illness. Okay. Then that is the aim. Just copy that. And next is method. Just give this heading. And again, just note the age and sex. Sex means gender. Okay. So if you are planning to collect the details of a 51-year-old lady, then write 51, sex is female or the gender is female. Okay. So first you write the details of female and then, so first this is a heading, health and illness, that is a heading, and then write the aim, then method. First write the age, sex of female, details of female. Then for this practical, 2 tables are needed. One table for females and other table for male. Okay, 2 tables. Hmm? So ask about their health problems or illness, then treatments, and if they have health insurance or not. Okay, the copy is in the page number 362. So make 2 separate tables. Okay, in your textbook, it's only one. So here make 2 tables. One table for a female, adult female, and other table for males. Okay. Write for an adult man having some illness. So choose any person that basically have some or any kind of illnesses or any diseases. Okay, not the common man. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Can
Meghna?
we write parents' information?
Sana, please switch on your video. Can't see you. Any problem? Fine. So the next one, that is practical 9B. So write the heading. What is the heading for practical 9B, Meghna? Practical 9B.
Physical activity and time management.
Very good. Physical activity and time management. That is a heading for practical 9B. Then aim. Write the aim. Just write the 2 lines, that is to study one female adult, mark in the textbook. Okay, to study one female adult and one male adult in the age range of 35 to 60 years with reference to physical activity and time management. That's it. Okay, so write till the time management, only the aim. No need of the second paragraph, that is all of us do many activities every day. No need of that paragraph. Okay. Then after completing the aim, write the method. Yes.
I wrote that.
Oh, no problem. No problem. No problem.
For the first practicals also we wrote the second paragraph of aim. Is it okay?
That's okay. Fine. No need to change. Hmm. Then here method, that is to observe physical activity and time management of a person. We will first identify a sample. So just write to observe physical activity and the time management of a person. And then note down the details, female, which age, male, which age, note that. And then here also make 2 tables. One table for a females and other table for male. 2 tables. Okay. So for an example, in the case of females, just write the time. Just write the time. That is 8:30 a.m. What is the task or what is the activity? Preparation of breakfast. Then how she save her time using some techniques. We already learned some techniques to save our time, right? Using our both hands, using the work simultaneously like that. So also included that techniques. Is it clear, Sana? Is it clear? An example is in your textbook. Okay. Then after completing the 2 tables of practical 9B, then collect the information regarding routine of a female and male and compare the observation. After completing the 2 tables, you need to compare if there is any difference between male and female. Obviously, they have differences, right? So note that. How, yes,
Is it the conclusion? Like
yes.
ask should
Give a heading conclusion and then write, is there any difference between males and females in their time management and their physical activity? Okay, just 2 or 3 lines for conclusion. Okay, don't need too much of large paragraphs. Hmm? Sena, that is a heading of the practical 3, that is 9.3, 9C. Fine, that is diet behavior. Don't write the heading practical 9C, write this heading, diet behavior. Sana, do you have the word that I sent? The headings?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. So here write the aim. Meghna, can you please read the aim of practical 9C, page number 365?
study one female adult and one male adult in the age range of 35 to 60 years with reference to diet behavior.
That's it. So write the aim all in caps. Then method. For method, only write the age and sex. What is the age of the individual? Uh, it should be between 35 to 60. So 40 years. What is the sex or gender? Male. Okay. That is a method part. Aim, just copy that, and method, age or sex according to your data or according to your individual. So one table for female and other table for male. Here, just ask few questions to the individual or few questions to your parents. Which are the most preferred food? Just ask this question to your parents and then write it down. So the first one, which food, the food they prefer, the most likely food, and then foods disliked. Just ask this question. And then foods avoid due to religious or social reasons. Some never eat beef, right? Because of some religious reason. So note that. And then factors influencing food behavior. We already learned some factors are affecting our diet behavior, right? Peers, school, media. Okay, so just ask this question. Which are the factors that influence that individual's diet behavior? Okay, lack of money may be a reason, like that. Factors that affecting the diet behavior. Make anything to ask?
Ma'am, here the garlic is a because of social reason. He or she avoids. What do you mean by the social reason here?
Some communities never eat this garlic. That's it. Some community or some. Just a minute. So this is practical 9D. First, write the name of the person. Name of the person, that is Nanda Kumar. Age 57. Sex male. Socioeconomic status average. Educational level degree. And then following questions can be asked. So can you please tell us what challenges, situations you have had to face in your life? Hmm? Due to retirement that caused some difficulties in the families, right? Some loneliness, death of some personalities, death of some individuals, death of some loved ones, sometimes the marriages, then any physical changes, accidents. All these are the certain problems of a adult age. You can refer it in the first paragraph. During the stage of life, that is in the adult stage, people experience many challenges due to physical changes in body. It can be due to physical changes like lifetime changes, blood pressure, diabetics, obesity, hair loss. Then due to some general health problems, it creates stress. Then changes in interest and loneliness as children need independent life, retirement, some challenging situations due to new members of the family like doctor, son-in-law, doctor-in-law, like that. All these are the certain problems. So mention what are their problems and then note, can you state the reasons behind the situation? What is the reason for that challenge? You can write the question and answer in a question answer format. Okay, just answer all these questions. So one for male and the other for females. Okay. Then after completing all these questions, then you note down the answers given by male adult and female adult and summarize them. That is your conclusion part. Okay. Sana, can you please read the questions? 366. Page number 366. Please read the questions. That is the first question.
Can you please tell us what challenging situations you have had to face in your life?
Okay. If you ask this question to Meghna's mother, what is her answer? What will be her answer? What would be her answer? Meghna.
Lifetime diseases, diabetes.
Fine, that's it. So answer the question in a single or a one sentence. One sentence is enough. Then next, Sana.
Can you state the reasons behind the situation?
In doubts, reason. Just write the reason for that. If it is due to heredity or due to some food habits, like that. And then, what emotion you experience at that time? If it is due to a loss of some loved ones, it's very sad. Sad is an emotion. Hmm? Like that. Then, did you feel frustrated at that time? Just yes or no. Then, what is the fifth question, Sana?
Did you experience feeling of helplessness due to challenging situations?
Yes or no. Okay. Then, were your family members aware of the challenges you were facing, whether they know or not? Hmm? Just ask that. And then, did your family members support you? Yes or no? What kind of support? If it's S, the question number 7 is S. What kind of support did they provide? If it is a financial support or a mental support, social support, like that. Could you win over the challenge? Then please state how did you overcome those challenges by the help of professionals or with the help of family members, regular medical checkup. You can choose from that options. Okay.
Ma'am,
So yeah, yes.
please state how did you overcome those challenges? Can we take two, three options from that?
Yes, yes, yes. No problem. At least one you choose. Hmm? Then for your conclusion, just summarize the male and female challenges and how they cope up. Okay. Is there any change in coping techniques used by a male or a female? Is there any change? Note that. Then next one, that is practical 9E. The heading for that is the last one under the practical 9. That is availability and preference of media. Availability and preference of media. So write the heading availability and preference of media. So what is the aim, Meghna? Read.
To study the availability and preference of media for adult female and adult in middle adulthood.
Yes. What do you mean by media, Sana? Medias.
Media like newspapers, magazines, TV.
The social
Um,
medias and printed medias. We have printed medias and social media. So then after aim, just write the method. Select one female adult and one male adult between the age group of, this age group is very important. Okay. 35 years and 60 years. He or she may be your family member or from neighborhood. That is not needed. Just write the first line. Select one female adult and one male adult between the age of 35 years and 60 years. Okay. And then give the details. First, you give the details of a male and then you give the details of female. So, first aim of the person, Meghna, age 16, sex female, education, +1, socioeconomic status medium, working or non-working, non-working. Then, what kind of media you are drawn to, Meghna? What kind of media you are drawn to?
WhatsApp.
Yeah, so you can write social media. Then, do you feel media is important in your life, Sana? Yes or no?
yes, to get
Yes,
information.
yes. Just write that. Then, which type of media is available to you more often? Is it printed media or electronic media? It's electronic media, right? Yes. But this is our case. You just ask this questions to your parents. Okay. Then, if printed media, choose one. Choose, is it a newspaper, magazine, novels? Choose from that. And if it is electronic media, which one? That is television, internet, radio, like that. Then which media do you like more and why? Sana, which media you like more and why?
Electronic media,
Why?
uh, because it gives us many information and it is useful.
What is your opinion that in the case of adults, is it same electronic media?
Yeah.
Just ask. Hmm? Then what about Meghna? Which media do you like more and why?
Electronic, because it's fast and quick. We get every
That's the
information.
correct answer. We get all the information very fast, right? Everything is in our fingertip. Then, what kind of articles do you read from magazines? If you choose the media that is printed media, then you need to answer this question. What kind of articles do you read from magazines? If it's fictional, educative, spiritual, or household tips? Most of the times it will be household tips, right? Magazines or beauty tips. Then, yeah, beauty and personality improvement, motivational, health related, and any other. Next, the question 14. In newspaper, what kind of news you are interested in? That's an interesting question. Is it political, editorial, crime, and any other? Meghna, what kind of news is you are interested in?
Any other?
Any other? So,
like
Sorry. Sana? So any doubts in the section? Sorry. Then the 16th question, that is how much time you spend watching television? Meghna. How much time you spend watching television?
I don't really watch television nowadays.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, then, and after completing these questions, first you need to write all these questions for a female adult. Then you write all these questions for a male adult. Okay. Then last, you record all your findings in the table below and write a report. That report is your conclusion part. So media availability, media preference, programs or columns preferred, time for indulging in media. Okay. That is a practical 9. Any doubts, Anna, Meghna? So this is all about adulthood. Practical 9A, you just collect the details of their health and illness. And for practical 9B, just collect the techniques for time management, all for male and female. Okay, we need both details, both data. Then the third one, you need to write their diet behaviors, adults' diet behavior. The fourth one, identify their media preferences. And the last one, that is practical 9E, that is media preferences. Okay, that's all about practical 9. Then practical 10, take the practical 10.
Potato chips
Potato,
and cake. Maybe.
potato.
Then maybe cake. or something.
Fine. So take the picture of a cake with you. Take a picture of a potato chips, or you are you were preparing the cake and potato chips, right? So take the pictures of that. Then Meghna, what about you?
Cutlet and
Which
bread roll,
cutlet?
chicken maybe.
So add some leafy vegetables to that cutlet. Okay.
Hmm.
Chira, like that. Anything, some leaves, add some leaves to that. Then it's a good option. Then
Ball,
sorry, make that
bread ball.
red ball. Fine. Good. You can also refer the snacks in page number 372. Almost 20 snacks are there for adolescents. You can refer. Then the practical 11, we already finished that study of labels. Here, the study of labels on food, drugs and cosmetics, consumer durables, fabric and apparel. So no need of this. Just write or just study the label on food. Okay, the first one. It's in page number 383, only the first one, food. Study the label on food. So aim, the aim for practical 11, that is analyze the information given on food product A. It's in page number 380.
Ma'am, no need to
Yes.
write the introduction.
No. If you write, then it's okay. First, write the aim, analyze the information given on food product, then materials required, the label on the bottle of jam. Method, read the label fixed on the bottle and observe if it has got all the information required. Okay. So first write aim, materials required and method, and then collect the label from the food product and stick it on your sheets. Then check the name of product in your labels. Just check the name of product, whether it is there or not. Then ingredients of the product, weight and quality of the final product. Just check all these 12 points. Okay. Is it there or not? And then after this, after analyzing all this information, then write the conclusion. All the information has been given or not. Is it clear? Meghna, anything to ask?
Ma'am, should the cover of that particular food product, we should stick it now.
Yes.
How many we should stick?
2. Any 2. Okay. Next one, that is practical 12A. Read the aim, Meghna.
Aim, you are going to celebrate your birthday. Your parents have sanctioned for rupees 5,000 for that. How would you plan your expenditure?
Just write that aim and then start with the table. SL number, item and cost. Budget planning. Okay. You need to plan the things according to the budget and make it as a table. That's it. Okay. Don't write the same one according to your needs and according to your demands. You need to change your budget. Okay. That is the practical 12A. Then 12B, the aim. Aim is list 5 of problems faced by self or family as consumer. Suggest solution to overcome the same. Okay, consumer problems. The adulteration is a consumer problem, right? You learned that. Adulteration means adding some extra things or decreasing the weight of the product, adding the yellow powder to the turmeric, small pebbles to the rice. All these are adulteration. It's a consumer problem, right? And then variation in prices. Some shops it's 50 and the same thing in the other shop that is 55. The variation in prices, it's a consumer problem. So you can write any 5 consumer problems and the solutions to overcome the same. For this, you can refer the Google. You can collect the points or the problems of the consumer, any 5 problems. Okay. It's already there in your textbook. Either copy this or just refer in Google. Here you can see the 5 problems, that is variation in prices, adulteration, unfair means of measurement, malpractices adopted by the manufacturers or sellers, shortage of standardized product. Okay, these are the 5 consumer problems that noted here. So you can write any 5 problems by referring books or from Google, then suggest some solution to overcome the problems. Okay, that's it. Sana,
So
anything to add?
conclusion.
Sana?
Conclusion needed.
No, no need. Just write any 5 problems and give another heading, that is solution to overcome the same. First write the aim, that is list the 5 points. Then give the heading consumer problems and then write the 5 points. Then give other heading, that is solutions to overcome the same. Then write the solutions. Solution to overcome adulteration, solution to overcome variation in prices, like that. Okay. Any doubts? Meghna, Sana?
Um,
Fine. Meghna?
Uh,
Fine. So bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Sana.
Thank you, ma'am.